The Lord be with you. I'm Deacon Keith Fournier, and our first reading is from the book of the prophet Haggai. In the second year of King Darius, on the first day of the 6th month, the word of Yahweh was addressed through the prophet Haggai to Zerubbabel, son of Shealtiel, governor of Judah, and to Joshua, son of Jehozadak, the high priest, as follows. Yahweh Sabaoth says this people says, the time has not yet come to rebuild the Temple of Yahweh. And the word of Yahweh was addressed through the prophet Haggai as follows. Is this a time for you to live in your paneled houses when this house lies in ruins? So now Yahweh Sabaoth says this. Think carefully about your behavior. You've sown much and harvested little. You eat but never have enough. Drink but never have your fill. Put on clothes but feel no warmth. The wage earner gets his wages only to put them in a bag with a hole in it. Yahweh Sabaoth says this. Think carefully about your behavior. Go up into the hills, fetch timber and rebuild the house, and I shall take pleasure in it and manifest my glory there, Yahweh says. And our response is from Psalm 149. Alleluia. Sing a new song to Yahweh, his praise in the assembly of the faithful. Israel shall rejoice in its maker. The children of Zion delight in their king. They shall dance in praise of his name, play to him on the tambourines and harp. For Yahweh loves his people. He will crown the humble with salvation. The faithful exult in glory, shout for joy as they worship him, praising God to the heights with their voices, a two-edged sword in their hands, to execute on them the judgment passed, to the honor of all his faithful. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to St. Luke. Meanwhile, Herod the Tetrarch had heard about all that was going on, and he was puzzled, because some people were saying that John had risen from the dead, others that Elijah had reappeared, still others that one of the ancient prophets had come back to life. But Herod said, John, I beheaded him. So who is this I hear such reports about? And he was anxious to see him. The Gospel of the Lord.